Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to find old emails in Gmail by date. Friends, if you want to search your Gmail account by date, then you simply need to open your Gmail app. Now in your Gmail app, you need to press on search in emails. Now here you will find option to search by date. Press on date. Now here you will find some default search options. Rest, if you want to search for a particular date range, then you need to press on custom range. Now from here you can select any date range. Now suppose I want to search for a mail between 15 August 2015 to 17th August 2015. Then I simply need to select the date. Select the starting date. Now the starting date is selected. Now we need to select the end date. Now we have selected the range. After selecting the range, you need to press on OK. Now friends, it will show all the mails between 17th August to 15th August 2015. So friends, as you can see, we have searched some old emails by providing date range. So friends, like this you can very easily find old emails in Gmail by date. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.